Our first speaker is Namgu Song from Korea, and Namgu is co-founder of Mediaiplus, where he focuses on creating data-driven services for businesses. And with extensive experience in designing solutions that prioritize customer experience, Namgu is now working on AI tools to support clinical trials. His goal is to help researchers find and use the right data to make better decisions and accelerate clinical trials. With that, I'll hand it off to Namgu.
Thank you. Okay, hello everyone. I'm Namgu. I'm co-founder of Mediaiplus. Today I'm so excited to share our experience and vision. We all know clinical trials are essential for drug development, but the process is full of challenges, as you can see in the table. Each page of the clinical trial has different costs and timelines and risk. Page 2 is toughest with 96% failure rate. Delay can be incredibly costly, between $600K and $8 million for each day of delays. So we are preparing for a clinical trial means collecting a lot of data, a lot of information from different organizations and countries. It takes experts 2 years to go through over 1,300 pages of data. This process is complex and takes a lot of time. So that's why we focused on using AI to speed up data collection and make the process faster and more accurate. So we began by automating data collection from various sources like clinical trial design and research papers or articles, patents, and news. This saved time to reduce human error. And we also applied multilingual NLP technology and machine learning model to handle both English and Korean, using ontologies to bring language gaps and better understanding the data. After that, we moved into correlation analysis to uncover important insights like trend and competitors. Focusing on the data was our first priority. Cleaning the multilingual data from different sources was handled that sounds. We use word-to-back and sequence-to-sequence algorithm on the raw data to create our first database. For the second phase, we hired 300 experts like doctors or pharmacists or biologists to manually validate the data. We also developed 3 separate annotation systems to increase our efficacy. And at the time, we were only a 3-person team, including me. It's really crazy. Thanks to this effort, we've built a standard global clinical trial data system, which include our own source and data schemes. And our work requires specialized knowledge. Fortunately, our CEO, right side middle woman, she is Ji Jung, Mediaiplus CEO. She has a background in clinical trial and experience of global big pharma company, but we needed input from a range of experts to design and structure the database. This led us to partner with the University of Utah for deeper research and development. That was just the start of transforming the clinical trial process. Yeah, step two, improving productivity for our customers. We developed the ensemble model, that neural network model and unsupervised learning model. We use key features like clinical trial title or summary and description of clinical trials. Neural networks help us understanding deeper meaning of the data, while unsupervised learning find the pattern without human interaction. This gave us the flexibility to process data for clinical trials on new drugs that were due to the market. As part of this, we developed a priority similarity calculation algorithm, which allow us to analyze relationships between different clinical trials. This saves time by providing similar trials to researchers, cutting down on research time significantly. Step three, in the three phase, we use competitor data and drug information to focus on research strategies. First, we collecting drug information and analyze, and it's a way of analyzing the drugs that compete with drugs around the same condition or disease. This helps us avoid repetitive work and save time. Then we use an indication analysis model to match the drug with disease, avoiding duplicate or similar pipelines. Finally, we provide the bulk data report and competitor insights to help our clients make quick decisions. Yeah, so finally, we've also built a system that let users find the relevant clinical trials based on the drug's mechanism of action. This we call the MOA. And target pathway or indication. This helps the user compare similar clinical trials and comparing drug, improving decision making in drug development. Another key factor is clinical trial success is investigator. The famous investigator can recruit a large number of patients quickly, which is speed up clinical trial and reduce cost. Patients recruitment is often a big challenge, and finding the right investigator can make all different. Collecting data on investigators used to be a manual process, where a human would spend hours copying data from hospital website into Excel spreadsheets. To solve this, we use LLM to automate the process by extracting the HTML code from hospital web page, and just simply by prompting HTML code to request key entities in JSON format, we were able to collect data 4 times faster and clean the data 9 times faster. Yeah, it's some different story. It's fascinating to see how AI is changing the way we work. People often wonder if AI will take away jobs. Yeah, but I believe it's freeing humans for repetitivity tasks and allow them to focus on more meaningful work. Our high-quality AI-generated data has allowed us to create new services that go beyond traditional search bar. Now, user can interaction with our system by asking questions, and the AI find the clinical trial design information they need. No more digging through tons of data, just asking and you get the answer. We've also streamlined the process of designing clinical trials, have clients match with the best contract research organization we call the CRO to execute their trial efficiently. Our customer matchmaking capabilities, which take into account over 3 different factors, have reduced the time it takes to find a CRO by over 90% compared to traditional method. Come a long way in cutting through the data jungle of clinical trial, providing real solutions that make a difference, and we are just getting started gearing up to bring this AI-powered insight to market and keep transforming the clinical trial landscape. In the research area, clinical trial design, we can provide AI service at 3% less than our competitors. I think this is very attractive for medical writer and small bioventure researchers, because many of them are still collecting information manually. Today, we are proud to have our 116 partners from pharma, biotech, and CROs worldwide, and pushing the boundary to clinical trial process innovation. We believe that our journey will ultimately improve the quality and quantity of clinical trials, expanding treatment option to patients. If you are developing a new drug, medical device, or therapeutic application, please contact us. Thank you.